Chapter 15. Adverbs, Degrees of Comparison. Let's learn degrees of comparison. Adverbs of comparison show the degree or intensity of an action. Like adjectives, adverbs also have the positive, comparative, and superlative degrees. For example, Ravi can run fast, Tarun can run faster, but Ketan can run the fastest in the class. As time was running out, she began to speak more quickly. You have done well, but you must try harder next time. Making the degrees of comparison of adverbs. Most adverbs follow the same rules as adjectives. In case of single-syllable adverbs, positive, comparative, superlative, fast, faster, fastest, loud, louder, loudest, soon, sooner, soonest, hard, harder, hardest. If an adverb ends in ly, positive, comparative, superlative, peacefully, more peacefully, most peacefully, sadly, more sadly, most sadly, badly, more badly, most badly, quietly, more quietly, most quietly, carefully, more carefully, most carefully, happily, more happily, most happily. Some adverbs form their comparative and superlative forms in an unusual manner. Positive, comparative, superlative, much, more, most, badly, worse, worst, well, better, best, little, less, least, far, farther, farthest, late, later, latest. Open sesame. Formation of adverb. Kind of formation. Examples of adverb. Made of adjectives. Example of adjectives: clever, wise, kind, etc. Cleverly, wisely, kindly, etc. Made of nouns. Sometimes, meanwhile, otherwise. Made of the letter or prefix to a noun. A bed, ahead, away, afoot. Made by prefixing be to a noun. Besides, behind. Made of a compound of preposition and adjective. Abroad, along, anew, behind, below. Made of a compound of preposition and adverb. Within, without, before, beneath. Adverbs derived from pronouns. Time related, a then, when. Place related, a there, here, where. Manner related, this, how. Pronoun-based adverb compounded with prepositions. Thereby, therefrom, therein, therewith, thereafter. Hereby, hereafter, herein, hereupon, herewith, hereto, wherefore, wherein, whereon, whereof, henceforth, henceforward. Two adverbs sometimes go together formed by a conjunction. Again and again, by and by, far and near, first and foremost, how and then out and out, over and above, through and through.